Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2019 through 2022 and possibly beyond Nissan Altima 4-door sedan. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine tower set of 4, the JetStream load bars set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. Here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. And on the underside of the bar is an additional track in which the tower is fastened. Alongside that track are measurement numbers, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheets to guide you in the correct positioning of the tower onto the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very customized fit to the vehicle. And to access those adjustments, you must first remove the outer cover. To do so, you just grip at the top and pull down and back. The first adjustment is the fastener which holds the tower to the bar, and to access that you must first pull back on that cover and then you would tighten that fastener there. It also is an adjustment for pitch, which will accommodate the varying angles of the roof line to accommodate for curvature in the roof line. Now when we close this cover, you'll see how that prevents access to that fastener for security. Now this fastener is the toe adjustment. Let's go ahead and demonstrate that with a tool that's included with the towers. That will allow for a 3-position adjustment of the pad and clip set so that it has a custom fit against the door frame and on the roof line. Now when we tighten this fastener with this tool, the handle will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. Now back on the inside of the tower, this fastener, when tightened, will pull this clip against the door frame, while underneath this hatch, the final fastener, that one, when tightened, will pull the clip up against the door frame. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place, and for that you just connect at the bottom and then snaps at the top. Here you'll notice we have a plastic plug, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System. And so that way, when you purchase these separately in matched sets, you can have all 4 of your towers key matched, along with any other SKS compatible accessory or carrier that you have attached onto the roof rack. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.